Welcome to EPIT Research Labs Private Limited. Today we came with a new project, IoT-based Smart ID card for school students. In this device we have two parts. One is smart attendance using RFID and another one is GPS-based live tracking of student. So, today we are going to explore this smart IoT device which can help in connecting school children with their parents and teachers. Firstly, I will explain about smart attendance system. Here we have used RC522 RFID reader for scanning the student ID data, and Node MCU for uploading the attendance data to the database, a 12V adapter for power supply, 12 volts to 5 volts DC to DC buck converter for powering the system, an LCD display for local monitoring. Let's scan a ID card. Check the output. This is the ID card equipped with RFID tag with unique ID. Now we can see a scanned ID in the LCD display. Now we'll scan the another ID card. And we can see here every time it's getting unique ID number, so based on this ID number we can identify the student. Based on this scanned data the attendance status will be updated in the database. Here we can see how it's updating the data as ones and zeros. Now we will move on to student GPS tracking system. In this device the student's ID card will be attached like this, which can be easy to scan and carry as an ID card. This device integrated with Node MCU and Neo 6 MGPs powered with 12 volts Li-ion batteries. And a 7805 is used for 5 volts power. Now we can see the live data of the GPS is updating in the database. So this is all about the IoT-based school kid tracking system. Stay tuned to us for exploring the innovative world. Thank you.